This event today, we're doing a Cars and Coffee to reveal this beautiful 993. Probably a better question to be asked, what have we not done to the car? We've done pretty much everything. We stripped the car down to the chassis, sent it over to ACG where they painted the exterior Riviera blue, and then we restored the interior. We did a bespoke plaid blue inserts on the seats and the door cards, and then black leather everywhere else. Riviera blue was one of the few low numbered option colors for 993s back in 95 through 97. Very low production numbers, so we thought it'd be pretty unique to be able to rock a color that's already pretty rare on these 993s.
We're here representing the car that we painted. It's a Riviera blue Porsche that we did the paint restoration on. We're just here showing our support, letting the community know that we're out here.
We are 502 Coffee Company here with Porsche. We are a Guatemalan coffee company and we are here to fulfill all your coffee needs.
We specialize in alloy wheel reconditioning. So basically if you hit a curb or if you're in an accident and the wheel's damaged, we bring them back to life, back to OEM specifications.
The 240 out, Cars and Coffee here at Porsche. Really nice turnout. Everyone, very nice cars, nice people. This one was sitting in the garage and it needed an excuse to get out, you know.
Well, we're with our car club here in Bakersfield, Classic Dubs, and we're just out here celebrating the car club culture. And today we brought our beautiful 1963 Volkswagen Bug.
So this is a 1964 Volkswagen Carmanguia, the 1600cc motor. It's got the MP wheels. It's a car of my dreams, something I've always wanted as a kid growing up, and finally got what I wanted.
So we also have a Cars and Coffee event that we try to do once a month. We give out free trophies, we have free coffee, we also have free raffles, so we're always giving away stuff. If you guys want to get a free gas card, a free Starbucks gift card, come on down to ours. So like I said, we have them once a month, and we usually post them on our Instagram. And I want to invite everyone to come out to our next Cars and Coffee event. Keep up with our Instagram account, and we'll go ahead and put the date on there, and we hope to see you guys there.
Thank you ACG for doing the paint and body work on this car. You guys killed it.
It was such a great turnout today. Thank you guys, and we'll see you